Hello everyone and welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today our recipe is all about
Bagels.
Juliet. What are bagels?
Bagels are a type of bread originated in the Jewish communities of Poland.
Yes, very popular where?
In North America right now and Poland.
They are delicious and very well known with cream. You know that soft cream?
Yeah.
You know that? And it's very, very famous as a New York bagels. But we're not gonna make a New York bagels. What bagel we gonna make today?
Cinnamon bagels.
Cinnamon bagel, because we love cinnamons. And I think for you to know how the bagel are made,
How bagels made? Just follow on the video.
yes, follow the video until the end. Leave your big like, subscribe, press all the notifications, share with your friends, and follow us. All the ingredients are down here
In the box.
in the box. But
In the description.
and now it's time for you to follow us until the end. Come with us.
The first thing we need to do is activate our yeast. And to make the yeast actually. So first of all, we're going to need 297 millimeters of warm water, because if the water is too hot, we'll kill the yeast completely. So basically, first of all, we take 30 grams of sugar, put it into the warm water, mix it with our spoon. Then we're going to put our yeast in, 10 grams of dry yeast. Put it in here. Then we're going to mix it. Then when we're done mixing, it is right now, we're going to leave it for 10 minutes to rest and for it to be alive. I'm just gonna, now that our yeast is ready, we're gonna mix it. Look at this. Gonna mix it. Then we put it in. Then we're gonna put 500 grams of plain flour. Now we're going to add 6 grams of salt. Then we're going to put 180 grams of cinnamon. Then we're going to put 15 millimeters of vanilla extract. Now you guys can actually mix this dough with your hands, but we decided to put a bread mixer. Then we leave for 10 minutes on the bread mixer. You guys know that the 10 minutes has completed. We're going to split this off. It takes a bit of a long process if you're doing a bread maker. Well, if you're doing it with hands, no problem. To turn this. Take this little scraper thing. I'm gonna take out the bottom. I'm gonna unstick it from the bowl. Hands like this. I'm gonna make a ball with the dough like this. Now we're gonna take the olive oil. Okay, good. We're gonna spread the olive oil around with our hands. Then we're gonna take the dough, put it into the bowl. Now we just left it in the bowl with the olive oil all around. Then we're gonna leave then we're gonna leave it for 1 hour for it to rest.
Alright everyone, now I'm taking over our recipe, and you guys can see the dough has doubled the size. So now we're taking it to the table, and we're going to be spreading it and making it. Alright, so what we're going to do is, as you have like that, we're going to cut in the middle. We're going to cut like that, and 8 parts, yeah. So one here, and one more here. Okay, now take it off, take it out, and make a little ball, just like that. Yeah, touching the ball like this to make a little dough, and in the baking tray with the baking paper, and we're gonna do this in all of it with all the dough. So simple, put your hand like this, you do a hand like that, and you do like this. It's really nice dough on that, and you can do with all the rest. Now see, now what we're going to do is we're going just to leave it to rest for another 10 minutes, and we're going to open the hole in a second. Okay, let's put the cover it and leave it for 10 minutes to rest. Now we're going to open the middle hole in our bagel. So we put the finger like that, and we just twist it, twist, 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 and twist, and you open a little. That's just like that. So and again here, yeah, touch your fingers like that. Now we have all the bagels nice and done. Now we're going to cook them in here. So don't overcook, just put them half a minute in each side. Okay, don't put it too many, so just boil them. Not gonna actually cook, you're just going to boil them. I'm gonna leave them here to dry. Put them in a tray to dry. Put them in a little tray to dry. And one more in a tray to dry. Okay, now for the last touch, we're going to do some egg washing. This, Juliet will be helping us to do the egg washing. Okay, see you in a minute.
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna do some egg washing. So you take the egg, yada yada, you know how it goes. But if you guys don't know how to do some egg washing, just get the egg, mix them up, and get this brush. Then just put the egg wash all over. Okay, and now we're going to put the bagels into the preheated oven, set for 20 minutes and 200 degrees. Okay guys, now this is the ending product. It's glistening, isn't it? It's because of the egg wash. So basically, now we're going to do the tasting.
Actually, there are lots of ways to serve bagels. Juliet's gonna have with cream cheese and ham. And I'm just going to have with just cream cheese. Guys, look at how soft is our bagel. So now,
I can't wait to
do
taste
that. Do a little bit in here, little bit in
That's
here,
enough.
little bit in there.
That's only 3.
And then, look at that. Wow. Now it's time for us to try. Hi guys, so now is the moment of the truth. Look at that. We have cinnamon bagels. My one just with the cream cheese and
Now
Juliet's.
chicken and cream cheese.
Now let's eat it. Just nice. Super nice. Very, very worth it to try at home. Don't you think, Juliet? Don't you think it's really, really nice? Well, look at it. You can actually add everything in your sandwich. And the cinnamon, just delicious. Guys, thanks for watching our video. Try our recipes. Leave your like and subscribe. Now,
share, and ring the notification.
yes, don't forget
So
to share.
get notified in our videos.
Oh ho! Please. Thank you for staying with us. And now it's time for us to say bye, because we're going to eat our bagels. Bye!
Bye.